Here you are observing chapter 16 electric currents, its chemical effects. In class 7 heating effects of electric current we have studied in class 7, but in this class chemical effects. How will you get electricity using chemical? Conduction through liquids. Air is a poor conductor of electricity, but during lightning an electric current passes through air. Actually, under appropriate condition, most materials can conduct. It is therefore preferable to classify materials as good conductors or poor conductors instead of classifying them as conductors and insulators. Cause of conductivity of liquid. Now, electrolytes. Free mobile ions allow the passage of electric current through the solution, making it conductive. We call such solution as electrolyte. It means electrolytes are solution, but here through this solution electricity should pass. Electrolyte, a compound that conducts electricity in molten or aqueous state and which simultaneously undergoes decomposition when an electric current passes through it, is an electrolyte. A strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte. Strong, now knowing about strong electrolyte. These are electrolytes that get ionized completely to form free mobile ions in the solution. Hence, a large number of free mobile ions are available in them to conduct electricity. Sodium chloride, pure sulfuric acid and copper sulfate solution. Weak electrolytes. These are electrolytes that get ionized only partially to form free mobile ions. Hence, only a small number of free mobile ions are available in them to conduct electricity. Acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide and tap water. A non-electrolyte does not provide ions in its solution and therefore current does not flow through such solutions. Some examples of non-electrolytes are distilled water, alcohol, carbon disulfide and carbon tetrachloride. Conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. Voltaic cell. Here voltaic cell, copper rod, zinc rod, dilute sulfuric acid. And you can get electricity. Chemical effects of electric current. Electrolysis. Discovered by Faraday. Faraday called the phenomena resulting from the passage of electricity through liquid as electrolysis. This is because it causes chemical changes within the electrolyte. When electric current passes through a pure metallic conductor, whether solid or liquid, there is no chemical effect. That is, there is no change in the chemical composition of the conductor. There is only the usual heating effect of current, passing current through water. Nature of the electrode. The chemical reaction taking place in the solution depends on the nature of the electrodes, nature and concentration of the solution. Some of the prominent effects of the chemical reaction taking place at electrodes are within the solution are metals may get deposited at the electrode surface, gaseous bubbles may get formed near the electrodes, change of color of solution may occur due to dissolution of different ions. Do you know the phenomena of electrolysis, that is passage of current through an ionic solution, is different from the conduction of electricity through metals in two different ways. Flow of current can cause chemical reaction. Unlike conduction in metals, matter here gets is actually transported through the solution. Application. Extraction. Getting metal from ores. Electro refining of metals, electroplating. Process of electroplating. Practical application to improve, alter their appearance, to provide a protective strengthened coating. Now regarding Faraday's discovery. Had there been no Faraday, there would have been no electricity. Is it said about Faraday's? Here you are seeing a figure. In this case, you are observing this is a magnet. S means south, N means north. Whenever this magnet is coming inside this wrapped copper wire, material, electricity will flow. Using magnet. The phenomena in which electric current can be generated by changing magnetic field is known as electromagnetic induction. Whenever there is a relative motion between a magnet and a coil that is part of an electric circuit, a current flows through the coil. The flow of current stops as soon as the magnet and the coil are at rest with respect to each other. The faster is the relative motion between the magnet and the coil, the more is the current that flows through the coil. The direction of current obtained by moving the magnet away from the coil is opposite to its direction when the magnet is moved towards the coil. Laws of electrolysis. Michael Faraday. Now question answer time. Acid, base, acid, base and salt, mode, chemical, positive, electroplating mode. True, 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 false, false. Battery dynamo. Kind and careful. Pause the video and you are able to revise question answers. Pause the video and I hope you are able to revise all question answer. And there is some suggestion to all viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. This is my humble suggestion to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.